Hi there. In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between the Stone HS720 and the HS720e. Now, I mistakenly ordered the HS720. I read a lot of reviews. They said it was a great drone for kind of beginner or starter drone. I'm new to drones. This is the first drone I've ever purchased. And I didn't want to spend a ton of money, but I wanted a good camera and I wanted some good features so that I could really get some good use out of it and get some good video that I could use on YouTube and Instagram and things like that. So first thing is, it said this is 4K, but what I found out after I got it is it only is 4K for still photos. The video is not 4K. So that was the first thing. The second thing is the E in the HS720e is for electronic image stabilization. So that's a big difference. I did, when I got this a couple of days ago, I took it out of the box, I flew it, it flies really well, it's easy to fly, but I noticed that the video was a little bit jerky. The other thing that I really didn't like about this is if you have the camera perfectly horizontal, you can see the propeller blades in the upper right-hand corners of the screen. Now, when you tilt the camera down a little bit, you don't see that. But if it's completely up, you do see the propeller blades in the corners of the video. In the HS720e, that's not the case. And so I boxed this thing back up and started a return and ordered a new one. So what I want to do is just show you the difference in what you get and show you which one is the better value. So first of all, the HS720. They both come in an almost identical case. The drone itself, I really can't see any difference in the two. You know, they use the same parts, the same propeller. The only difference is the camera. You can see in the 720, the camera is silver, and in the 720e, it's black. Now, it does have kind of a cushioning in there. It also has the electronic image stabilization built into the E. So the controller is the same. In this little box, they give you, I'm going to open this up. There's one battery, comes with the regular HS720. It's in here. I take it out right there. There's the battery. It has about a 26-hour fly time with one battery. It does take a good 5 or 6 hours to charge. It uses a USB-C charging. And so in this box, they give you the charger, which does have a station to charge 2 separate batteries. They just sit right in there, but it only charges one at a time. So it's going to take 5 or 6 hours to charge one and then 5 or 6 hours to charge the other. So it comes with that, comes with a little screwdriver, comes with an extra set of propeller blades, which is nice. And that's it, basically. So it comes with one battery, the charger, the propeller blades, and a screwdriver. And so you're really going to need to have at least one extra battery. I ordered an extra battery with this one, and that extra battery was $55.99. So total for this HS720 was they had I think it was a $15 or $20 off on Amazon. So I paid $225 for the drone kit and then another $56 for the battery, which came to $281 for this. Great deal, probably the best valued lower end or starter drone out there. For the price, it's probably the best one out there. So now let's just take a look at the 720e and let me show you what the difference is. Again, the drone is basically the same except for the camera. The controller's the same. The box is a little bit bigger. And the reason for that is it comes with the charger, just like the other one. So I'm not going to open it up, but it comes with the same charger. It comes with a set of propellers, just like the other one. Comes with a screwdriver just like the other one, but it also comes with a second battery. Now that second battery, like I said, is $56 if you were to buy an extra battery, but this one comes with it. So this one with everything is $285. So $4 more than the HS720. The HS720e is just $4 more. And I think it's a huge difference just because of the camera. The image stabilization is worth the money. And you're not going to see the propellers in the upper right corner, right up here. You're not going to see a propeller going around, which is kind of annoying if you want to use that video for, you know, anything. Now, you can crop it, or you can angle the camera down just a little bit and you're not going to see them. But if you want to have your camera up and the thing flying forward and doing video that way, the HS720e, you will not see the propellers, and you're going to have just a smoother video. You're not going to have that little bit of vibration. Now, just a couple of other things that make the HS720e a much better value is, in addition to the image stabilization, the electronic image stabilization and anti-vibration camera, it also has a Sony processor. Now, I read through the documentation, and nowhere on the 720 does it mention a Sony processor. It doesn't sensor. It doesn't say anything about the sensor, but in the 720e, it definitely says it has a Sony sensor. So that's much better. So I would say no-brainer, buy the HS720e. One last thing is it will take a 128 gigabyte SD card, micro SD card, where the HS720 will only take a 32 gigabyte. Now, I haven't tried that yet, so I don't know how much I can record on it, but at 4K, I would imagine you would use quite a bit of memory. And so that's another big benefit, is the HS720e, you can use a 128 gigabyte card. So really, I wouldn't even waste your time looking at the 720. Get the 720e. It's going to be worth your while. And I'm going to be posting lots of videos. Get out and use this thing in the next little while, and I'll be posting videos of that. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified when we upload new video content. We also do have links in our video descriptions that are affiliate links, so we do earn a small commission if you use those links. We really appreciate it, but if not, that's fine too. I'll put a link to this drone in the description, and I also have a link to a lot of other tools and things we've used that we really like. Now, one last thing, when you first you're able to use your phone. This guy folds out, and then this thing pulls out. You pull it forward, and then there's a little, there we go, all the way out. There's a little thing that holds your phone in. So you can set your phone in there and control it, and you actually see what the drone is seeing. But when you first log into the app, that's a free app that you can download, it'll ask you if you want to get a free battery. And what they do is they'll send you an email, and you fill out a little survey and write a review on Amazon, screenshot the review, send it to them. They'll send you another battery. So that's a $56 value. These batteries, like I say, go about 23 to 26 minutes depending on the speed that you're using. The drone does have 2 speed settings, but it'll be really nice. And they take, like I said, because they take a while to charge, it'd be nice to have at least 2, if not 3 of them, so you can get an extra free one just by filling out the survey. So hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop comments if you have anything to say, and thanks for watching. See you next time.